Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to see how to set up VPC flow logs to your AWS account. Okay, so this is basically log management activity. So in your security team, if they ask you show some logs when this particular request came in or came out, okay, so you need something to be show them. Okay, as ITL best practice, we need to keep log management particular logs for some days. Okay, so let's see how we are going to configure VPC logs and where we are going to store. Okay, so basically there are two methods. You can directly send security logs to your S3 bucket, and the another method is to send that logs to your CloudWatch log group. Okay, so today we are going to see the very easy and quickest method. Let's set up into S3 bucket. Okay, so let's start. Login into your AWS account, go to VPC, and let's start. Okay, so I have this VPC. You can see the demo VPC. Okay, and you can see here in the down the option called flow log. Just go there and click on create flow log. Okay, in create flow log you can see this VPC, and you can see the filter option. It is asking the type of filter logs to capture. Okay, so what type of log you want to capture: accept log, reject log, all log. Okay, so if you have multiple buckets, just select accept or reject, so it's quickly you can see which logs are rejected or which logs are accepted. Or I prefer mostly to select all, so I will get all the logs. And here is the maximum aggregation interval, what time duration you want. You can select 10 minute, 1 minute, so I'm selecting 1 minute. And here you can see you can send to CloudWatch log group also, as well as you can send to S3 bucket. So in this demo we are going to select S3 bucket. Okay, now here we need to list down the S3 bucket name. Okay, so let me quickly copy my S3. So for this demo purpose I created one bucket, so let me copy. Okay, so this is CloudOps demo logs. Let me copy the ARN. You can see here the option copy ARN. Okay, copy that and paste. Okay, now scroll down, you can see the logs record format. Okay, so there are two format: AWS default format and the custom format. In default format you can see what the parameters are there. You can see the versions, account ID, interface ID, and so many options out here. If I don't want AWS default format, I will go with the custom format. Whatever I want I can choose it. Okay, so suppose I want account ID, I will select account ID. Okay, I want AZ ID. Okay, I want instance ID, interface ID, log status, packet come in, packet drop. Okay, which region it is. Okay, start, location ID, traffic path, TCP flag, subnet ID. Okay, so VPC ID. Okay, all those parameters which I want I can select. Okay, so previously this option was not here, at recently they have added this. Okay, so let's add this, and you can see I have selected all those options. Okay, and the by default view is, you can see the AWS default format is the below. Okay, so we have not selected that. Okay, we have selected this option. Okay, now just click on create flow log, and within few minutes we selected 1 minute option. Okay, so within few minutes we can see the logs were starting generate. So let me do some activity and let's see how the logs are generated. So let's see, let's go to S3 bucket. Okay, and let's see if the logs are captured. So I'm opening, we can see here the folder automatically got created in my bucket, AWS log. Okay, then this is the account ID, this is VPC log, region, year, month, day. Okay, and this is a log file. Okay, so let's see. So let's download this log file. Select the log file, go to action, click on download. Okay, so let's open this file and see the parameters are there or not. So I'm opening it. So I open this file. So you can see here, open in Notepad++. So you can see here the parameter which we selected, account ID. So this will be the account ID, AZ ID, AZ2, instance ID. This is an instance ID, and all those parameter which we selected are here. Okay, so traffic, start, region, all those are here. So there is a another options also, AWS default format. That default format we can select all those options. So this is it is. I hope you, if you like this video, then give one big thumbs up, and if you still not subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel and keep watching, and happy learning. We'll see you on next week.